Hey guys, welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today, we're checking out one of the most advanced robotic cleaning systems out there, the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. If you're someone who hates vacuuming, mopping, cleaning your vacuum, or even thinking about cleaning, this might just be your dream machine. We're talking about a 12-in-1 fully automated cleaning station, next-gen suction power, hot water mop washing at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, auto cleaning, solution adding, and so much more. But at a premium price tag, does it actually deliver? Or is this just another flashy robot? Let's get into it. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, before we dive deep, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're into honest, hands-on tech reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you drop over $1,000 on a robot vacuum? I'm curious. Alright, let's kick things off with the design and build. The Deebot X8 Pro Omni has a sleek, futuristic look, finished in jet black with premium design accents. But the real hero here is the Omni Station. This isn't your average docking station. It's a 12-in-1 intelligent hub that handles almost everything on its own. Let's talk about what those 12 features actually do, because this thing is basically your personal cleaning assistant. First, after every cleaning session, the robot heads back to the dock where the mops are thoroughly cleaned using rotating scrubbing action, so you don't have to touch dirty mop pads ever again. Then it takes things up a notch by using 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to wash the mop pads. That's not just a rinse, that's deep cleaning with bacteria-killing heat, perfect for keeping your floors hygienic and fresh. Once the wash is done, the Omni Station automatically dries the mop pads with warm air, preventing odors and mildew. So the next time the bot goes out to clean, it's not dragging around soggy pads. It's working with fresh, dry ones. Now, let's talk about vacuuming. You don't have to empty the dustbin after every clean. The Omni Base sucks the debris right out of the robot into a sealed bag. It's mess-free, hands-free, and it can go for weeks without needing your attention. And yes, it handles water too. The base automatically refills the onboard water tank, so you can clean larger areas without interruptions. And if you want to add a floor cleaning solution, the system takes care of that too, mixing and dispensing the right amount on its own. Obstacle detection is also next level here. With advanced AI and precision sensors, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni navigates around furniture, wires, socks, and even unexpected objects like pet toys or shoes. No getting stuck or trapped mid-clean. Its navigation system uses dual laser and camera mapping, giving it 360-degree vision of your home. It builds highly accurate maps and plans smart routes for efficient cleaning. It's not just bouncing around randomly. This thing is strategic. Got carpet? No worries. The mops lift automatically when the robot detects carpeted areas, keeping them dry and untouched. The auto lift mechanism raises the mops by 10 millimeters, perfect for transitioning between hard floors and rugs without a hitch. For edge cleaning, the robot is equipped with dual side brushes and an extended OZMO roller mop system. This combo gets right into corners and baseboards, leaving no dust behind. One thing I love, especially as a pet owner, is the Zero Tangle roller brush. It's specially designed to resist hair wrapping, which means less maintenance and more cleaning. You won't find yourself pulling hair out of the roller every week. And here's something cool. The mop washing temperature is adjustable with 8 levels. So if you've got different messes in different areas, like sticky kitchen spills or muddy footprints near the door, you can set the ideal water temperature for maximum effectiveness. Let's talk power, because this thing is a beast. The Deebot X8 Pro Omni delivers an insane 18,000 pascals of suction. That's industrial level power. Whether it's fine dust, pet fur, crumbs, or larger debris, this robot doesn't leave anything behind. And it does all of that without sounding like a jet engine. It's surprisingly quiet for how powerful it is. It supports a wide range of floor types, from tile and hardwood to low and medium pile carpets. And it automatically adjusts suction based on the surface and dirt it detects. Battery performance is solid too. With a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, the robot can clean large areas in one go. And if it starts running low on power, it'll return to the station, recharge, and resume cleaning where it left off. That means no missed spots or interrupted cleaning cycles. Using the Ecovacs app, you can customize pretty much everything, from cleaning schedules to suction power, mop intensity, and even specific room cleaning, all right from your phone. You can draw no-go zones, check real-time progress, and even access the robot's built-in camera to see what it's doing. It's also compatible with smart assistants like Alexa and Google, so you can control it with your voice. Just say the word and it gets to work. At the end of the day, this robot is for people who want a fully hands-off experience. If you want cleaner floors without the hassle of daily maintenance, no refilling tanks, washing mops, emptying dustbins, or clearing out hair, this is it. It takes automation to the next level. Yes, it's a premium product at a premium price, but you're getting a seriously smart cleaning system that handles vacuuming, mopping, self-washing, self-emptying, drying, and even solution mixing, all in one tight package. It's like having a personal cleaning crew on autopilot. So if you're ready to say goodbye to manual cleaning and invest in a robot that truly does it all, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni should absolutely be on your radar. And let me know in the comments, is this the future of home cleaning or just overkill? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another smart tech review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.